Hey y'all, so it's your girl, Princess Chi, back with another video. If I sound like I'm kind of whispering or kind of low, y'all might want to turn it up now because it's a sleeper, okay? So I'm not trying to be too loud. But I just want to kind of get a little bit straight into it. And don't mind my robe. I know I've been wearing this in the past video or two, but I kind of just woke up, so I'm not even dressed or nothing. I didn't go out today, none of that. So let's get straight into it. I'm about to tell y'all why y'all shouldn't tell the person that you're going on a date with about your past relationships. I don't even got tips. I mean steps or numbers or nothing. I'ma just be talking, okay? So for starters, I wanna say that when you tell somebody how somebody previously hurt you, all you really is telling them what you put up with. Because what kills me the most is when girls be like, I did A, B, C, D, E, F, G for this guy. Basically, they would be saying how down they was for somebody who was doing them dirty. And so when you saying that to the next man who you want to date with, all he is hearing, whether he is a good man or not, it doesn't necessarily make the man a bad man, but all he is hearing is, so I can do this, which is be late for dates. I could do this, cheat on her. I could do this, stay out late, all of that stuff. Because she said that she held down the other man who did it. And it took her a long time until she broke up the arrangement. And now here we are. So all you telling him is what you gonna put up with in this new relationship. And why would you do that, sis? You don't feel like that's kind of stupid? So now you setting the tone on how the relationship gonna be, because he know everything he could do to you and you still gonna be there. Even if you is a slow hoe who gonna sit there and be there for a nigga after he done did a million A, B, C, D, G, E, or G, all the way to Z to you. You know that you gonna be there. And even if he know it's not gonna be a long time, because he might only want to use you for a short time, a few years, a good 2 years, you get him some, your legs open, a good 2 years, because you gonna be there sitting around no matter what he do. And you told him this by expressing what happened in your previous relationship. So basically you are setting the tone for how this relationship is gonna go. Okay? So don't do that. Don't be telling guys what a guy did to you in the past, because all they will, whether they good or bad, is sit there and use it for their own benefit. And when you think about it, you might say, oh, well, that's the wrong guy, that's an ignorant guy. At the same time, is not, because we don't know the standards that people have. So I can have a standard, right? Like my first video, I link it down below for y'all. I can have a standard, and I don't like when people touch me. I don't like too much affection. A guy don't know that. So a guy is going to push to do the most he can do to see what you do and don't allow. So when you telling him you allow even bad stuff or negative stuff in the past, he gonna think it doesn't bother you. So you're basically letting him know it doesn't bother you, because you said he did A, B, C, D, E, F, G to you, the previous guy, and you stick with him. You're gonna be like, I held him down even when he did that to me, and it just hurts me because I was there for him this whole time and he did that. And yeah, and now I'm sad, I'm bitter. No, that's not what we doing, because he just gonna take it and run with it, whether he a good or a bad person. Because naturally as humans, we all test and see what people okay with. Think about it. You can't naturally expect people to know what your standards is, because there's some people in the world who don't even see cheating as wrong. Some girls don't even care if they get cheated on, because they doing cheating too, or they like open relationships. Same thing with guys. So it's like he trying to test what's okay with you, and then you acting like you hurt from something. He don't know if you really hurt from something, and if he really is an ignorant person, he gonna be empowered off your hurt and hearing you talk about the other guy. Because now after this little date or whatever y'all on, or park date, if you with a broke nigga or something, he gonna go tell his friends, I met this new little shorty and she finna be played. Y'all don't realize guys really do talk like that, like so serious. I be overhearing. It's so many guys in my life, honestly, who I heard over talking. Maybe they didn't even hear me talking to they guy homeboys, and you don't think it's real. You don't think a guy would talk like this, but like dead serious, dead a word. They be talking behind your back about the same stuff you sitting over here crying or complaining about in their face. They will go and tell somebody else and be laughing at you. So don't ever give them the chance to do that. Okay, so anytime you on a date, hush your mouth up. I don't know if it's because y'all be looking for something to talk about, but that's the wrong thing to talk about. And then on top of that, when you talking about your ex, especially on first dates or even throughout the relationship, it gives people the vibes that you are still stuck on your ex. So not only are you telling them what they can do to you, you also are telling them that this girl might be stuck on her ex. I don't know. Let me see and fill out stuff. And then if you talk about it more throughout the relationship, even if your crazy self just do it once a week, he can be like, dang, she really is stuck on her ex. Because think about it, even as girls, when a guy is stuck on his ex, we hear him talking about her or stuff that when her name is mentioned, he's bothered by stuff that she doing. So it applies both ways in that situation. Don't be sitting here talking about your ex on your date. Don't say nothing how they did to you. Really, you should either play like you never was with somebody before them for real, or you should play like you was spoiled before you even met them. Because if you don't, you are setting the standard. If they know you went out with Dusties in the past, they gon' even if they a high class man, they gonna be like, well, she accept Dusty treatment, so I could be a Dusty. Like, no, you don't need to tell them none of that, because as soon as they know what type of guy you dated in the past, they will be that guy, especially if it's lower than them, because they ain't got to put a lot of effort. Or if you especially if you tell them something like, my ex didn't buy me nothing, he ain't do nothing for me, and I still held him down, and look, this how he do me, he gonna leave and go with another girl. All that's telling him is, I ain't gotta buy her flowers. I can probably get her a Kit Kat bar on her birthday, or maybe even just break up with her on her birthday and get back together a week later. I can do anything to this girl. So I'm not gonna keep repeating that part. I just want y'all to get it through y'all head that spilling all the beans is never gonna be beneficial to you, even if the guys are so-called good guys, because good guys can morph into dusties real quick if they know that's the type of treatment you need. Guys will do the bare minimum if they can, but low-key they don't want to. So if you a chick that's set in stone that's okay, they're gonna do the bare minimum, but then they're gonna start to get bored. That's why you hear girls say, like the story I just said, I didn't ask him for no gifts or nothing, and he ain't give me nothing even though I didn't ask, and I still stayed with him, and then he had the nerve to leave me for the girl. Because yeah, he stayed with you probably because you was iffing him, okay, for starters, and secondly, you probably was doing a lot for him or giving him emotional support for a little while he was out here finding another girl. Then you like, where this new girl came out of nowhere, he was with her because he was bored with you. You didn't motivate him to be a better man. That's the thing. And a guy that's not motivated, if he a real man, after a while, he not gonna be satisfied. Even Dusties, they don't be satisfied, but a Dusty will end up staying just because they thinking about the benefits. But if he a real man who already got his own, he taking care of himself, he want a trophy wife, and you just sitting here wasting his time because you a low value woman, because you have low self-esteem issues. Basically, you don't demand nothing for yourself. You basically in the trash. Like, it's two different things to pick out: the circle of high quality women, and then it's the trash. And those is usually where the thoughts or the girls who don't look that good be. And you don't want to be over there just because the way you carry yourself or act, or the treatment that you demand. Yeah, so I'm gonna end this video right here. I'm probably about to record another video. That's why I'm probably gonna end this one right here. Keep it nice, short, and sweet. And yeah, and I just want to let y'all know too before I go, I might start uploading 2 videos a week because it's probably necessary. And then sometimes I get a little lazy when it's one, and then it'd be so hard to, like, I don't know, if I just keep something consistent, maybe it would help me to be more motivated and productive to get these videos done. But I'm gonna strive for that. And I might, and one more thing, I might change Sundays to Wednesdays as uploads, because the weekends is kind of hard for me to upload. It's a lot of stuff going on the weekends, so I might change that to Wednesdays. But thank y'all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Stay pretty, stay blessed and stay kind and a little bit ratchet just in case stuff get ugly. Yeah, bye y'all.